I pick up my parcel, guys. Very quick. We order, I think Friday. We order Friday, guys, and the other one is yesterday. And very quick, they deliver. I think I have how many parcel I have? I think 5. I have 5 parcel. They deliver 3. Waiting for the food. I order 2 dress, haircut, pajamas, and the ear and nose hair cutting. Excited sa dress. Medium yung in-order ko. The 3 price, the 3 parcel is 9.74. My husband told me you give 1,000. Keep the change. Very cheap in in Shopee. Let's go get our parcel. Waiting the elevator. I get our parcel. Tagal naman yung elevator. Nasa dik pa. Sa Rugdik. Nandun kasi yung sampayan. You can hang your laundry up there because not allowed to hang the laundry in the what is called the terrace. Buti walang tao sa elevator. So that's my fine. I'm going to the parcel area. This is the view I like this guy. Naglinis ako eh. Tapos nagdulog-dulog na. Ay. I need to get our parcel. Our parcel. Our parcel area right there. This is the swimming pool. I don't like to go swimming, guys, alone. Last time, bring my niece and nephew here and my sister, and swimming together. We stay here until end of this month. We stay here 2 months, guys. Then we need to go to Bicol soon. We stayed there 12 days also in Bicol. This is the store, grocery store. You can buy something over here. Oh, happy. Over here the laundry. The office. Hi guys! Unboxing my first order in Shopee. My first order in Shopee. After I order, arrived today. Usually our order is 5, but 3 of them is arrived. We ordered this last Thursday, Friday, Saturday. After 2 days, we have to wait. So first parcel, we need to open. I don't know what is this. Exciting. This is the new dress today. When try later. We need to open this. We ordered dress guy eh. I forgot how much this is. But this is look like 99? Yeah. Oh, this is mid-June. This is good for me. Have slit over here guy. Long siya. But it's fine. Good. We try later. The next order is dress again. Dress again. This is a pajama. Pajama, I think. A dress. Maybe dress. Pajama. Dress again, guys. Wow, so nice. Dress, guys. Yeah. Good. I think we need to wash this. Look like the smell is so strong. Very strong. We need to wash this. And very nice. Very nice. Why the smell so? Have sleep also over there. This one, 179 siya, guys. Maybe this one's big. Look at that. I'm happy. Of course, thanks to my husband. Thank you, mahal. Last is the last one. I think they're cutter. Maybe this is a hair cutter. Ay. Hair cutter din. Hair cutter. Yes. Hair cutting guide. And my husband gave 600 plus. Yeah. Look like 679. Hair cutting. No need to open or open? Open and show to the video. So nice inside. Look at that guy. This is hair cutting. Because I have hair cutting in the house there, but I'm not breaking. Oh wow, look like so nice. But scary. It's scary. Looks so nice. And have some different size of form, including this one. So nice. And that's it guys for unboxing for today. The other, the pajamas, the nose and hair cutting is not here. And that's it for unboxing for today. We need to wash this first guys before to try on, because the smell is look like not good. I'm not trying that. Hi guys, another Shopee delivery. Amazing guys. This morning we received my 3 order. And this afternoon they receive another 2 order. Everything is here. We ordered this guy last Thursday and Friday. And now is Saturday is here immediately. Very quick. This is good, very quick. Ah! This is the order of my husband and this is the one. Ito. Nose and ear. This one. Yeah. Hair trimmer. Nose hair trimmer. Oh, i-charge ba na to? Chargeable siya. That's good. Charge. This one here. I'm very cheap guys. If you cannot find stuff in the store guys, you find it in the Shopee. But sometimes it's difficult to get the size because sometimes they don't put the size. They told only small, medium, large, extra large, something like that. My husband looking shorty, but this is small, medium, large. Something like that only. This one guy, we bought this yesterday guy because I saw that is very cheap because 179 lang to siya guys. 3 in 1 ah. Sleepwear. Look, so very nice. We ordered this yesterday. I think we need to order again. Let's see. Wow! Very nice guy. Sleep. Medium to guy eh. This is fit to me. We order medium. This is the sleep one. And this one, the short. Of short. 3 in 1 na siya guys. We order medium. Happy. I have to dress and this one. I think we need to order now.